I'm the Rifter. I'm going to show you how to change a lawnmower blade. Alright, first you need to take this blade off, which I already did mine. It's a long screw and like a retention plate. You need to pay attention to this side when you're getting a new one. Mine is a bow tie shape. Mine is also a 5/8 inch socket. You also need to pay attention to how far apart these are from each other. These little notches, which I took mine in and matched them up, but I think mine's like 2 1/4, something like that. Then you get in your vehicle and, against your better judgment, come to your local Lowe's. Then get a coffee with a gift card you forgot you got for Christmas. And it does matter which way this thing was on. So mine was on like that. So this curved side goes down because your blade is going to spin this way to cut your grass. So if you're looking at the bottom, it's going to spin counterclockwise. So that one's going to go on like that. There's little nubs here. They need to fit into those holes. There we go. Now I've got an electric ratchet. This will spin on you. So I don't exactly know how tight this is supposed to be, but mine was pretty tight. So I tightened it up. All right. Should be ready to test this bad boy out. Yep, just got hit by some fresh rocks. Well, if that helped you, remember to like, share, and subscribe. I'm the Rifter. Do all the things, like, share, subscribe. I know I just said that. Thank you for watching. Bye.